Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2413P. 10,000 miles in this Grand Cherokee. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you a balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star overall government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Altitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in the perfect driving position. Large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Navigation. And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home-link transmitter for garage door opener and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6-liter V6, 293 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certified warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.